Thank you for your interest in HALT and HASS test chambers. In this video, we introduce HALT and HASS testing and show how our time compressor chambers deliver safer, more reliable products faster. In today's competitive market, product reliability isn't optional, it's essential. Your customers depend on your products to perform safely and consistently, and that reliability starts with effective testing throughout development and manufacturing. Highly accelerated life testing, or HALT, exposes products to extreme vibration and rapid temperature changes to uncover hidden design and material weaknesses early in the product development cycle. HALT pushes products beyond the operating limits, revealing failures that could take months or years to appear. By identifying weaknesses early in development, teams can redesign products to eliminate failure modes before launch, reducing delays, warranty costs, and the risk of recalls. HALT can also be applied to mature designs to further improve long-term reliability. The result is greater product reliability, increased customer confidence, and a faster time to market. Highly accelerated stress screening, or HASS, builds on HALT results. Unlike HALT, HASS does not push products to failure. Instead, it operates at elevated temperature and vibration levels that remain below the destruct limits established during HALT testing. HASS is performed during manufacturing and helps detect process variations, such as counterfeit components or supplier changes that could lead to defects. Our HALT and HASS time compressor chambers deliver exceptional thermal performance, reliability, and low acoustic noise. These chambers simulate real-world vibration conditions using pneumatic hammers that create random vibration patterns. Chambers include rapid heating and cooling from -100 degrees Celsius to +200 degrees Celsius, with temperature ramp rates of up to 100 degrees Celsius per minute using liquid nitrogen. Vibration is adjustable from 1 to 90 GRMS, with 6 degrees of freedom across the X, Y, and Z axes, including roll, pitch, and yaw motion. Chambers are available with standard table sizes ranging from 1.5 feet to 4 feet, or custom configurations to meet your specific testing needs. Designed for convenience, these chambers feature front and rear opening doors for easy loading, heated viewing windows to prevent frost buildup, and cable ports in the front and sides for simple routing. Multiple air ducts provide targeted heating and cooling, while a door safety interlock prevents operation when the chamber is open, and multi-layer insulation ensures quiet operation. Each unit includes 2 accelerometers, one for control and one for monitoring. For connectivity and control, the chamber includes both serial and Ethernet communications. At the heart of every system is our EZT touchscreen controller. Features include pre-programmed test profiles, trend graphs, and secure data logging. Technicians can also monitor and control the chamber remotely. Multi-level security settings manage user access, while customizable alarms can automatically send notifications by email or text. Additional safety features include audible alarms, emergency stop controls, high-visibility air pressure gauges, and redundant high and low-limit temperature and vibration protection to safeguard your device under test. Optional accessories are available, including temperature and vibration monitoring packages, oxygen concentration monitoring, fresh air purge systems, fixture-in kits, spare parts packages, and attached toolbox allow you to tailor the system to your testing needs. For vibration analysis, an optional spectrum analyzer data acquisition system with additional accelerometers and VibeTrack software provides detailed vibration spectrum monitoring through a single, easy-to-use PC interface. HALT and HASS time compressor chambers help manufacturers improve reliability, reduce risk, and accelerate product development. Contact us to learn more about HALT and HASS test chambers.